In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on the real 3D board view on chess.com. If you've ever wanted your online chess games to feel more like a physical board sitting on your desk, this setting is exactly what you're looking for. It adds depth and perspective to the board and pieces, and you can rotate the view to find the angle that feels most natural for you. Start on the desktop site in your web browser. This feature is primarily designed for the desktop experience, so if you're on the mobile app, you likely won't see it. Once you're on chess.com, look for the gear icon, which opens settings. It's often near the board or in the top area of the page, depending on where you're browsing from. Click the gear icon to open your settings panel. Inside settings, go to board and pieces. This is where all the visual customizations live. In that section, find the pieces style area. You'll see a range of styles including both classic 2D looks and the 3D options. Select Real 3D to switch to the realistic depth-based view. If you prefer a different texture, you can also choose a 3D option like 3D, Wood. As soon as you pick one, the board will update right away so you can see how it looks. With Real 3D enabled, the board appears in perspective rather than flat on the screen. To explore different angles, click and drag on the board to rotate it. Small, slow drags give you precise control, so you can settle on an angle that keeps the files and ranks readable while still giving you that immersive tabletop feel. If you ever rotate too far, just drag again to bring it back to a comfortable view. Many players like a slightly elevated angle that mimics sitting across from a real opponent, but you can adjust it however you like. A few quick tips for the best experience. Because this is a 3D render, it may use a bit more graphics power than the standard 2D board. If your computer feels sluggish, try closing other tabs or apps to smooth things out. Also, make sure you're on a modern browser so the 3D view loads and responds properly. That's all there is to it. Open settings, go to board and pieces, choose your piece's style, and pick Real 3D or another 3D option. Then click and drag to rotate until it feels just right. Enjoy the added depth and have fun making your next move on a board that